pob peth cynta mae'r boys yn ei nawr ar ôl y gêm. Ni dod lawr i Camps Bay a mae eisiau gael bach o recovery mewn, so maen nhw'n jwmpo mewn i'r môr. A dwi'n ofni mae'n edrych yn eitha rough mas na, so well nhw na fi. Mae'n hynod bwysig i gael amser oddi ar y cae fel grŵp, achos chi gallu teimlo fel bod chi wedi cael ei ynysu tyma bach pam chi yn y gwesti trwy'r amser yma, ond mae'n gret i gallu'r mynd i llefydd fel hyn i ymlacio, falle gael eich meddwl chi oddi wrth rygbi, a hefyd mae'r agwedd o gallu'r recyfro yn ystod y cyfnod yma, achos yn y tournaments yma pan mae gemau da chi mor gyflym ar ôl ei gilydd, 5 diwrnod ar ôl ei gilydd, mae recovery yn agwedd mowr o llwyddiant y bois yma. Ni nôl yn y gwesti nawr, a un beth arall sy'n chwarae rôl enfawr ar llwyddiant y bois yma yw be maen nhw'n bita, so gen i weld beth sy'n ar y fwylen.
Today we've got plenty of protein, so we've got herbedy chicken, we've got lean meatballs, plenty of carbohydrates, we've got some potato wedges, we've also got some pasta, and then we've got lots of colourful veggies, so some steamed carrots, some steamed cauliflower and greens, as well as butternut squash risotto as well. We want to fuel the boys, we want them to be recovering during a tournament, we don't want them to be falling off, so it requires that we get plenty of carbohydrate into them to fuel and refuel them, as well as plenty of protein to help their muscle recover after the sort of hard work of a rugby game or a rugby training session. We do add some treats in when their workloads are heavy, so on game day +1 when we're fueling up, we use apple crumble as a tool to help them get plenty of carbohydrate in, and after the game we'll have some traditional malva pudding, which is South African sticky toffee pudding, and that will help the boys refuel well. So we do, when the time's right, we do give them some treats as well.
Un peth nath George ddim sôn am oedd y two brick shots yma. Sa'n credu bod nhw'n blasu'n neis iawn, a maen nhw'n dda iawn yn recovery.